Hello viewers, Ford DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a walkthrough on the BMW E39's key fob functions and sharing a few tips. Similar key fobs can also be found on the E31, E38, and E46 models. This particular car I'm working with here is a 1997 BMW 540i and is equipped with a wolf whistle alarm. This particular remote I have is the earliest version available on the E39. As the years progressed, there was some changes and eventually the E39 body style came with a diamond-shaped key that has a rechargeable battery. The key is charged through the ignition and unfortunately can fail due to its age. While it's difficult, people have been successful at replacing the rechargeable battery, and it's a much cheaper option than purchasing a new remote. This one I have in my hand does have a replaceable battery, and I do have a video on how that's done along with button replacement. Buttons are also replaced on this remote. From factory they are mounted to the case, but with a little patience they can be removed and replaced with an aftermarket option for only a few dollars. The remotes have 3 buttons, one being a lock, next is an unlock, and finally a trunk unlatch option. When unlocking the car, while it's in the daytime, the interior lights will illuminate for a certain duration. The wolf whistle was available from the year 1995 to 1998. After that, BMW switched to an electronic chirp. BMW has discontinued the wolf whistle replacement. Both the electronic chirp and wolf whistle alarms are interchangeable. When the alarm is activated, this is shown by a red light on the mirror which flashes. Once locking the car, press and hold that lock button again. This will deactivate the tilt sensor and motion sensor in the interior. This is shown by the red LED below the mirror lighting up solid. Once it goes out, the extra sensors have been deactivated. The motion sensor in the interior is located on the headliner in a square box behind the sunroof. If you have unlocked the vehicle, with this feature you can also use a convenience option which allows you to open all the windows and sunroof. Considering this is a North American car, the features to close the windows with the remote has been deactivated in this market due to safety concerns. However, this can be activated by BMW programming software. While this is a North American car, you can still close your windows using the key, which can be done on older BMWs as well. Simply lock your doors with the key, then continue to hold that position until the windows and sunroof are fully closed. If this doesn't work, you may have a fault with the micro switches in the door lock assembly. In order to activate the panic mode, you must press and hold the trunk button for 2 to 5 seconds until the alarm activates. I believe there is a time duration for this feature until it automatically shuts off, but you can also deactivate it by pressing the unlock button. I will include part numbers for both the wolf whistle and electronic chirp sirens in the description below. On this car, the alarm siren is located in the rear passenger fender well behind the liner. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.